A metal gazebo can be a beautiful addition to any backyard or outdoor space, providing a shaded area for entertaining, relaxing, and enjoying the outdoors. But one of the biggest concerns when it comes to metal gazebos is rust. Rust can weaken the structure of the gazebo and make it unsightly, and if left untreated, it can eventually cause the gazebo to collapse. In this video, we will discuss the causes of rust on metal gazebos and provide practical tips and techniques for preventing rust and maintaining the longevity of your gazebo. The first step in preventing rust is regular cleaning and maintenance. This includes removing dirt and debris from the gazebo on a regular basis, as well as applying rust inhibitor or protective coating to the metal surfaces. This can help to prevent rust from forming by keeping the metal surfaces clean and dry, and by providing an additional barrier against moisture and other elements. Proper storage during the off-season is also important. Covering the gazebo and storing it in a dry, covered area can help to prevent rust by keeping the gazebo out of the elements when it is not in use. Regular inspections and repairs are also key to preventing rust on metal gazebos. This includes identifying and addressing scratches and dents, as well as applying touch-up paint as needed. Another way to prevent rust is to use rust inhibitors or protective coatings. These can provide an additional barrier against moisture and other elements, and can help to keep your metal gazebo rust-free for longer. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can help to protect your metal gazebo from rust and ensure that it lasts for many years to come.